Assalamu alaikum students. In this lesson I will describe about the bones. Did you know that bone is the hardest connective tissue in body? Bone not only move, support and protect the various parts of the body but also produce red and white blood cells and store minerals. Just have a close look at the structure of this bone. The harder outer layer of a bone is called compact bone, while the inner bone is soft and porous and is known as spongy bone. The spongy bone contains blood vessels and bone marrow like this cartilage, and the matrix of the bones also contains collagen, but it also contains minerals, calcium and phosphate. We know that cartilage contains a single type of cell. On the other hand, bones contain different types of cell. The mature bone cells are called osteocytes. I have discussed about the compact bone, the spongy bone, and bone marrow. Did you know that babies are born with about 300 soft bones? Some of these bones later fuse together so that the adult skeleton has 206 hard bones. And here you can watch the hyaline cartilage, and the next one is fibrous cartilage in intervertebral discs. I have discussed about the mature bone cells which are called osteocytes. The next one is the internal structure of bone. Here you can watch bone matrix, lacunae, osteocytes, canal containing blood vessels. Did you know that Andrea Vesalius is honored for developing modern anatomical studies? Vesalius was born in Brussels, Belgium. He made many discoveries in anatomy based on studies made by dissection of human dead bodies. His book contained the most accurate depictions of the whole skeleton and muscles of the human body. The next one is components of human skeleton. First one is axial skeleton and second one is appendicular skeleton. The 206 bones in the adult human skeleton are organized into a longitudinal axis and axial skeleton to which appendicular skeleton is attached. The axial skeleton consists of the 80 bones in the head and trunk of the body. And here you can watch the green color is showing the axial skeleton, and in next appendicular skeleton you can watch the separate parts. The axial skeleton consists of the 80 bones in the head and trunk of the body, and it is composed of 5 parts. Did you know that skull contains 22 bones, out of which 8 are cranial bones enclosing the brain and 14 are facial bones. There are 6 middle ear ossicles, 3 in each ear. There is also a hide bone in the neck. The vertebral column contains 26 bones, and this chest is made of a chest bone called sternum and 24 ribs, that are 12 pairs. Next I will talk about appendicular skeleton, and appendicular skeleton is composed of 126 bones. pectoral girdle is made up of 4 bones. Both the arms have 6 bones. Both the arms have 6 bones, and these hands have 54 bones. This pelvic girdle has bones. The legs have 6 bones, and both these feet have 54 bones. Now I will describe about the human skeleton. This is skull. This part is pectoral girdle. This is rib cage. Here is arm, hand, pelvic girdle, vertebral column, leg, and foot. And these are feet. Did you know that the upper jaw is fixed with the skull and it is composed of 2 bones? Here you can watch this upper jaw. This is upper jaw. And the lower jaw is mobile and articulates with the skull. In lower vertebrates, the lower jaw is made up of more than 1 bone, while in mammals it is made of single bone. During evolution, mammals have modified the lower jaw bone into a positive aspect. During evolution, mammals modified the lower jaw bones and incorporated 4 of them into the middle ear in the form of malleus and incus in both ears. This involvement of malleus and incus during evolution proved beneficial for mammals. Lower jaw with single bone. This lower jaw with a single bone is stronger, and malleus and incus are improving the hearing. I will discuss about the types of joints in my next video lesson. Thank you and have a nice day.